Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this three-tiered tray with some old cable rolls and cardboard. So I took two of these pieces and also for the lower portion I took the cardboard as the base. So this is the cardboard that I used. It came with the packaging with IKEA product and I'm going to use a thin strip of cardboard to cover the sides of it like this. So let's get started. This is the second and the third layer that I will be using. This is made of wood and it's from the old cable rolls. Now since the whole of these wood pieces is a little bigger, I am going to do a little trick here and attach cardboard pieces so that it goes through the rod. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to put some plaster of Paris and cover that gap so that it holds the rod in place. So first I'm going to attach the thin strip on the side of this lower base with the use of glue gun. Now I'm going to affix the cardboard piece onto the second tier with the help of glue gun. I have cut the cardboard pieces into two so that it's easy to affix them, and this is how now the gap has been reduced. We'll fill that portion with plaster of Paris later on. I'm going to do the same with the topmost tier also. Once this is done, I'm trying to check whether the rod fits in perfectly and there are no gaps there. Now I'm taking plaster of Paris and mixing it with some water and fevicol to make a thick paste. Starting with the lower base, I am going to put plaster of Paris in the middle and hold the rod in place so that it stays put. Now I'm going to insert the second layer into the rod and fix it in place with the help of glue gun. Now I'm filling in the gap with plaster of Paris paste and I'm ensuring that all of that gap is covered up properly, and I'm going to repeat this process for the topmost tier as well. I let the plaster of Paris dry completely for 24 hours, and this is how it looks the next day. I sanded the uneven portion with sandpaper, but since I felt the lower portion was a bit wobbly, I attached a piece of wood and affixed it with nails. Also, I attached some pebbles at the base for a little height. Once I was happy with the way it turned out, I started with coloring using gesso, and I applied a thick coat of gesso on all the three tiers. So this is how it looked after all the painting was done, and it looked nice as is, but I wanted to give it a distressed look, so I used some Tim Holtz distress inks in color black suit, vintage photo, and also a dark brown color. I will link them all below in the description box. I love the distress look so much that I covered the three bases also with distress ink, and this is how it looks. I love the final outcome, and it makes for a very beautiful decor piece. You can use it in various ways. Do look out for my other videos in which I show how I have styled this tray. Thanks for watching.